You've worked hard to build your real estate portfolio, but with the economy as unpredictable as it is, are you truly protecting your wealth? Over the past few months, we've seen home prices start to fluctuate again, and inflation shows no signs of slowing down. If you're a retiree who's relying on real estate as your nest egg, there's a crucial question you need to ask yourself. How secure is your wealth when the markets aren't stable? Let me introduce you to Mark from Phoenix, Arizona. Mark had a lucrative career as a real estate developer, and like many of us, believed that his wealth was safe as long as the property market kept going up. He had over $600,000 in savings tied up in his real estate investments, dreaming of passing that down to his children. But when the real estate market hit a rough patch last year, his value dropped significantly, and suddenly, he was staring at a tough decision. Mark knew that relying solely on real estate was too risky, especially with everything that was going on in the economy. He needed a secure way to protect his wealth that wouldn't lose its value in the middle of a financial storm. That's when Mark took action. He converted a portion of his savings into a gold IRA. Here's the thing: gold has always been a safe haven when markets are uncertain. Whether it's inflation, political instability, or financial crises, gold consistently holds its value over time. Unlike real estate, where prices can plummet based on market conditions, gold has a long history of preserving wealth, especially for those looking to protect their retirement funds. In fact, many retirees, just like Mark, are now diversifying into gold to hedge against the potential collapse of traditional markets. But why exactly is now the time to act? According to recent reports, President Biden has made it clear that inflation is something we need to brace for, with more hikes expected in the coming months. Meanwhile, the Federal Reserve has been warning that economic uncertainty is far from over. And even though the real estate market has its ups and downs, one thing remains constant: gold's ability to protect you from these fluctuations. When Mark took the first step to protect his future with a gold IRA, it wasn't just about his own security. It was about ensuring that his children would inherit something of true value. It's about legacy. Gold doesn't just preserve wealth for today. It secures your financial future for the next generation, no matter what happens in the economy. And if you're like Mark, working hard, planning for your family's future, and looking to safeguard everything you've built, it's time to take action too. You don't have to go it alone, and there's no pressure or gimmicks here. We're offering a completely free gold IRA guide and a no-obligation educational call to help you get started. This is about giving you the knowledge and resources you need to make informed decisions about your wealth. And don't worry, there are no sales tactics here. Just one-on-one education with a quick call to see if it's a good fit for your needs. You've worked your whole life to build your wealth. Don't let it be at the mercy of market volatility. Secure your future today for both you and your loved ones with a gold IRA. Take the first step, grab the free guide, and protect what you've worked so hard to build.